How to do the Marseille Turn so easily in eFootball 2026. Make sure the player has the Marseille Turn skill, then it will work. Otherwise, it won't work. Before performing the Marseille Turn, release the dash button. Then double-tap the dash button and move the direction 50 degrees downward. If you're running straight, turn the direction about 50 degrees downward, and it will perform the Marseille Turn. This is how you can perform the Marseille Turn in eFootball. If you want to learn more skills and tricks, subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon so you don't miss my next video on new player skills. Learn them easily and start cooking your opponents.